Robotics didn't emerge from a single place but from a combination of ideas in different parts of the world. You could say it has three main origins. 1. The philosophical and conceptual origin. The foundation of modern robotics in terms of its principles and rules was largely established in the United States. Science fiction writer Isaac Asimov popularized the concept with his 3 laws of robotics in the 1940s. While he didn't build robots, his ideas laid the groundwork for how we think about the safety and behavior of intelligent machines. 2. The industrial origin. The birth of modern robotics as an engineering field also happened in the United States. The first industrial robot, the Unimate, was invented by George Devol in the 1950s. Then, in 1961, the first Unimate was installed in a General Motors factory, marking the beginning of industrial robotics and its practical application. 3. The literary origin. The term robotics and the word robot itself were born in what is now the Czech Republic. In 1920, playwright Karel Čapek coined the word robot in his play R.U.R., Rossum's Universal Robots, using it to refer to artificial workers.